Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's personal aide Bibhav Kumar has been arrested by the Delhi police. Bibhav was picked up from the Chief Minister's residence itself. The development came out shortly after Aam Aadmi Party MP Swati Maliwal's medical checkup details were revealed, in which bruises on her leg and cheek were confirmed by a medical team at AIIMS. NCW chairperson Rekha Sharma has already lashed out at the Chief Minister, saying that he was giving shelter to an alleged criminal. The BJP has also lashed out at the Aam Aadmi Party's different statements on the alleged assault. Listen in.
7 फेज के इलेक्शन है, इनका 4 फेज का रिस्पांस है। ये रिस्पांस क्या है? पहले साइलेंस, 72 घंटों तक साइलेंस रखना है। फिर साइलेंस के बाद थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेंस, जो संजय सिंह ने किया था, थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्ट कर देना है कि हाँ ये हुआ तो था, बिभव कुमार ने किया तो था, अभद्रता की तो थी। फिर साइलेंस और थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेंस के बाद ब्रेजन डिफेंस, जिस प्रकार से जो व्यक्ति अभी गिरफ्तार हुआ है, दुशासन मॉडर्न काल का बिभव कुमार, वो दिखता है दुर्योधन के साथ, अर्थात अरविंद केजरीवाल के साथ लखनऊ एयरपोर्ट, सीएम के घर पर। मतलब कि जो थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेंस भी किया था, जिसमें कहा था हम सख्त कार्रवाई करेंगे, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं था।
Now, the Chief Minister's staff has also reportedly told the police that there are no CCTVs in the drawing room where the alleged assault took place. So, that means that there's no footage of the incident. And according to the Delhi police sources, when Swati Maliwal recreated what allegedly happened with her on the 13th of May at the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence with the forensic team, DVR recordings of CCTV footage of many places inside of the CM's residence were sealed. What's also being investigated is possible tampering with the footage.
अब तक हम लोगों को एफआईआर की कॉपी नहीं मिली। आज सुबह हम लोगों ने एप्लीकेशन मूव की कोर्ट में, वो अभी ऑर्डर रिजर्व है, शाम तक उसका ऑर्डर आएगा। लेकिन जिस तरीके से पुलिस विभव को लेकर आई है, अब हम लोग अपने लीगल रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए यहाँ पर सारी लीगल टीम आई है। पुलिस वाले आपके सामने रोक रहे हैं, किसके दबाव में रोक रहे हैं, इस बात की भी छानबीन होनी चाहिए।
And now to get us more on the latest, we're crossing over to my colleague Nikhil, who's been tracking all of the developments on the ground. Nikhil, the big development is that Bibhav Kumar has now been arrested. Tell us more about what you've learned from your sources.
Aisha, Bibhav Kumar has been arrested by the Delhi police from the official residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal earlier today at about 12 p.m. And also, as of now, as we speak, the interrogation is currently underway. The police have prepared a questionnaire, and all the verification of the allegations is currently being done by the Delhi police officials. And as per the procedure, he will be also taken for the medical test. And this is as a part of the SOP once any of the accused person has been arrested, and within 24 hours of the arrest they have also to be produced in the court of law. So we are expecting that by today only the Delhi police is going to produce him in the court of law. A team of the lawyers from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party, or Bibhav, so to say, they are already present at the police station, Civil Lines police station. They are saying that they are not being allowed to speak with the police officials, although an email was already sent through Gmail ID of Bibhav Kumar to the Civil Lines police station. But a counter FIR against Swati Maliwal has not been registered so far. But the reactions are also coming in from the side of the opposition in the capital city, that is from the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Delhi unit of the BJP leaders are saying that Arvind Kejriwal was providing shelter to these kind of people who usually are blot to the women's safety in the capital city, because the accused person, in this case Bibhav Kumar, he has been arrested from the official residence of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And Delhi police, they got a tip-off from their sources, and they reached in a hurry, in a haste, when Raghav Chadha was meeting with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal after a good 2 months. So this is something which is currently taking place. As far as the next step is concerned in this context, the MLC, the medical is also to be done of the accused person. Later, he will be produced by the evening in the court of law. Back to you.
All right, Nikhil, do stay with us. We're actually going to listen in to what Delhi Minister Atishi had to say, because, again, the Aam Aadmi Party had released a counter CCTV video. Listen in to what she had to say about it.
सीएम आवास के गेट के सीसीटीवी की फुटेज का वीडियो है। स्वाति मालीवाल जी आराम से, तेज स्पीड से, बिना किसी परेशानी के चल के हाई स्पीड पर बाहर जा रही हैं। बाहर जाके भी वो पुलिस की एक महिला कर्मी को धक्का देती हैं, पुलिस वालों को हड़का रही हैं, अपनी उंगली दिखा रही हैं। कहीं पर भी स्वाति मालीवाल जी के कपड़े नहीं फटे हुए, कहीं पर भी उनको सिर पर चोट नहीं लगी हुई है। दूर दूर तक वो लंगड़ा कर नहीं चल रही हैं, वो दर्द में करहा कर नहीं चल रही हैं। तो आज इन दोनों वीडियो ने ये साबित कर दिया है, स्वाति मालीवाल जी जो आरोप लगा रही हैं, ये एक बड़े षड्यंत्र का हिस्सा है जो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के खिलाफ रचा जा रहा है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी द्वारा रचा जा रहा है।
Now we're crossing back over to my colleague Nikhil to tell us more about this particular aspect of the case. Nikhil, so of course we just discussed the fact that Bibhav Kumar has now been arrested by the Delhi police, but according to Delhi police sources as well, information that was received earlier, they are going to be also investigating the fact that CCTV footage may have been tampered with, considering that in the Chief Minister's residence there was CCTVs and they were, I believe they were sealed. Tell us more about what's happening with that aspect of the case.
Aisha, since this is the high-profile case where many of the serious allegations have been made, and in particular, the event which have taken place, the location of the same becomes even more crucial, even more high profile. So now the responsibility of the Delhi police is to carry out their responsibility very peculiarly. And in the series of the same yesterday, they have collected the DVR of the CCTVs. They have taken all the dump data into their pen drive, and also they have gone through the CCTVs which were installed not just inside the residence of Arvind Kejriwal but outside the premises as well. And there are other collaborations as well which has to be done by Delhi police, because they have to also verify the role of the other characters as well, including that of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, although his name is not mentioned officially in the FIR or the complaint which was filed by Swati Maliwal. But if we talk about the further details, today as well the Delhi police reached out there, although they got the tip-off. They had reached to pick up Bibhav in particular, but we need to see as to how exactly the Delhi police is going to go further with the investigation of the case, because each and everything they collect as a part of the evidence, they have to be also shown in the court of law as well. In the series of the same yesterday, we have seen that how Swati Maliwal, she was taken by the Delhi police officials to the Tees Hazari court, where CRPC 164 statements were recorded of her before the Metropolitan Magistrate, which are also a part of the evidence once the case will start in the court of law. So these are the details, these are the angles where the Delhi police is currently working. Apart from it, there might also be chances that Delhi police may go through the call recordings as well, call data as well. So there are a couple of aspects which are involved in this case, which are other than the politics as well.